Hi, my name's Ashley Kimberly Caricio with Pixel Swarm Drones. We are Florida's first ever drone light show provider based out of Miami. We provide drone light shows nationwide. I like to call them environmental friendly fireworks. And what's really cool about the cutting edge technology is now we can take fleets of 100 to up to 1,000 drones and create stories in the sky. And we could do all kinds of different events from corporate, municipalities, anniversaries, weddings, private events. Even if you want to put your logo in the sky, gender reveal, product reveals. And right here is an example of a 200 fleet of drones that we're going to be putting in the sky over Miami this month. That's 200 drones. And for more information about Pixel Swarm Drones, just visit our website, pixelswarmdrones.com, or check us out on Instagram at Pixel Swarm Drones.